I just got this new Milwaukee hammer drill. It's a model 2912-22. It's not corded. It's has batteries. Comes with batteries. In fact, it comes with 2 batteries, battery charger, and a rugged case. What I like about it, it's a little lighter, even though it has a battery pack, than the Milwaukee I had before this, which was a 59-21 hammer drill, which is corded, as I said. I like the ease of which you change out the bits on the SDS drill bits. Simply insert it into the collar or into the end of the tool, and it locks in. To remove the bit, simply pull the collar back and pull the drill bit out. It makes it a lot easier. The other mentioned drill I had, hammer drill, it you had to turn it just right to lock the bit in, or when you remove it, you had to turn the collar to get it out. This is much simpler. What I like about it, has an LED light on it for lighting up the area that you're going to be working on or in, if necessary. It has a 4-position for operation, simply by squeezing the red button in. You have hammer drill, you have drill, there's a one for a chipper, and then the hammer. You could go in reverse. Like there's a lock in the handle right here that prevents you from operating the tool. If you go in, press it in, you can see it's going clockwise. Depress the button in the handle, and you go in the opposite direction. I'm assuming if you have a problem where the tool the bit gets caught, you can then release it by going in the opposite direction. Like I said, it's a compact tool. I think it's nice. You don't have to worry about having to go have AC nearby. So again, as it comes with the 2 batteries, I'll show you the case. It's a fairly substantial case. You get the charger, an extra battery pack, and of course, some high-performance grease for greasing the end of your tools and inserting them into the drill. It's a sweet tool. I highly recommend this particular hammer drill. Thank you.